Shandong, Derritt Machinery Company Limited, located at North Neighborhood of Hengfeng Paper Industry, Runchun District, Jining City, Shandong Province, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Derritt is a professional manufacturer providing reliable and durable, high-quality skid steer loaders and attachments to customers worldwide. Derritt has redeveloped and redesigned skid steer loaders completely. Longer sustainable working time and unique design bring a better user experience. Derritt meets the user's requirements and the market demand effectively. We provide our customers with safe, convenient, and hassle-free services. 1. We have an excellent R&D team and can customize the products according to your requirements in depth. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. 2. Support multiple platforms guaranteed transaction and other third-party door-to-door inspection service. 3. We are committed to being a trusted partner to our customers around the world, helping them to succeed in their business through our products and services. 4. Support substitute procurement. You can also send the goods to our warehouse. We can help you to centralize the shipment. Our company purpose: quality is our culture. Welcome to visit our factory and look forward to deep cooperation with you.